In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the page color in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. If you want your document to stand out, look more polished, or simply make it easier on the eyes, changing the page background color is a simple trick that can make a big difference. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and guides. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, look to the left side under Create and click on Writer Document. This will open a new blank document in LibreOffice Writer, which is where we'll make the page color change. If you already have a document open, you can use that too, but starting with a new one makes it easier to follow along. Now that you're inside Writer, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click Format. This menu contains several options for customizing the appearance of your document, including the page settings. After clicking Format, choose Page Style. This opens the Page Style settings, where you can change things like margins, borders, background, and page color. Inside the Page Style window, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the Area tab. This is the section where you can control the background fill for the page. Once you're in the Area tab, you'll see different fill options, and one of them is color. Select color from the available options so you can choose a solid page background. After selecting color, you'll now be able to pick the page color you want. LibreOffice gives you a set of color choices, so scroll through and click on the one that fits your document best. You can choose something clean and professional like white or light gray, or go for a more creative look with a different background tone. Just keep in mind that if you're planning to print the document or add a lot of text, a lighter color is usually easier to read. Once you've selected the color you want, click OK to apply the change. The page background color will immediately be applied to your document. That's all there is to it. Your LibreOffice Writer page now has a new color, and you didn't have to use any complicated tools or settings. If you ever want to change it again, just go back to Format, open Page Style, return to the Area tab, and choose a different color. You can also switch it back to the default look anytime if you change your mind. This makes it very easy to customize your documents for school projects, presentations, reports, or personal files. And that's how to change page color in LibreOffice Writer in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.